Now dear student, we are going to discuss this question number 4.9, and in this question it is given to you, a cyclist start from the center O of a circular park of radius 1 kilometer. So you can say here we have a circular park, a cyclist starting its journey from point O, and now it is going, this cyclist is going from O to P first, clear? Then this cycles along the circumference of a circle, means cyclist is going like this and it reaches to the point Q, and again this cyclist is going along the path QO and again reaching to initial position O, clear? So this is a path of a cyclist, and for this round cyclist take 10 minutes, clear? So total time taken is given to you 10 minutes, fine. Now what is our objective in this question? We have to find first net displacement, clear? So you can see if we write here net displacement, now net displacement means what? We can say cyclist starting his journey from point O and again reaching to the same point O. It means we can say initial and the final position is same. Yes or no? When initial and final position is same, it means we can say displacement is 0. Clear? So we can say net displacement we have 0. Clear? Now if we talk about part number B, what is average velocity? Clear? So now we know average velocity, this is given by total displacement over total time. Clear? Now you know when cyclist reaching to its original position, again we can say net displacement is 0. It means we can say this is equal to, this is 10 minutes, we can convert into hour. So we can write like this is 10 by 60. So this is given by 0 meter per second. Clear to everyone? Yes. Clear? Now we are going to discuss part number C. Clear? So I can write like this. Yes. Now if we discuss about part number C, average speed of a cyclist. Clear? So now concentrate. If we find here average speed is given by what? We can say total distance covered over total time. Now can we calculate total distance covered? Yes. We can say cyclist first going O to P. So we can say OP plus, after that cyclist is going from P to Q. So we can say this is PQ plus, then we can say this is QO. Clear? And it is divided by total time. Total time we can say taken 10 minutes. So 10 divided by 60. Clear to everyone? We can convert this time in hour. Clear? So value of OP. Now OP is given to you radius 1 kilometer. So I am writing here 1 kilometer plus PQ. PQ we can say this is 1/4 of a circumference. So 1/4 of, we can say this is 2 pi r plus QO is again radius. So this is 1 and it is divided by 1 by 6. Clear? Now we can write like this 1 plus r, value of r we have 1, so we can say this is 2 pi by 4, it means pi by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 by 6. Yes. So now we can write like this, I am writing there. Clear? So average speed is given by 2 plus pi by 2. Pi by 2 means what? We can say, we can write like this and it is divided by 1 by 6. Clear? So now you can say, we can write like this 2 plus, this is 11 by 7 and it is multiplied with 6. Clear? You can take here LCM, this is 7. So 7 multiplied 2, 14, this is 25. So 25 by 7 into 6. Clear? So if you multiply, or directly if you multiply, you can say 30 we have 3 and this is 50 divided by 7. This is value of 150 by 7 kilometer per hour. This is average speed of this cyclist. Clear? So if you calculate, you can easily find we have 2 and we have 1, so almost 21.4 kilometer per hour. So this is average speed of a cyclist. Clear to everyone? So this is all about this question.